This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Avalanche or AVAX is a smart contract platform that deserves to be on everyone's radar, not only because of its incredible performance over the last year, but also because of its future potential. Avalanche was launched by Ava Labs, founded by Cornell University professor Emin Gonsirer and Cornell University computer science PhDs Kevin Seknicki and Maofan Tadyin. Avalanche is a Layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. Do you want to know who among Avalanche and Ethereum aim the most popular blockchain for smart contracts? Do you want to know more about Avalanche? Then all you have to do is just stick with me until the end. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be talking about Avalanche's update, technical analysis, and price prediction. If you're new here, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to get updates whenever we post. As the last quarter kicked off, the crypto market recovered from the September losses with the total market capitalization of this space hitting a handsome $2.32 trillion. The DeFi space seemed to be blooming too, with the total value locked this week surging by 14%, surpassing the $160 billion mark and reaching the $200 billion mark. While the DeFi space seemed to grow, some DeFi tokens like AAVE and Curve noted perplexing trajectories in terms of price and network growth. In mid-August, the Avalanche Foundation announced the Avalanche Rush, a $180 million liquidity mining incentive program to introduce more applications and assets to its growing DeFi ecosystem. It started with two of the largest DeFi protocols by total value locked or TVL, Aave and Curve. The same gave a massive boost to both networks. Avalanche has become one of the most prominent blockchains in the last few weeks, particularly when it comes to DeFi. But it's supposed to be more than that. Considering most investors are still unaware or at least barely educated about DeFi, they remain in the spot market. The month of October has been favorable for most coins in the market, with Bitcoin and Ethereum driving the rise. However, Avalanche is one of the only few altcoins that did not join the rally. At the moment, AVAX is the only top 15 coin to be witnessing a price fall. At press time, the altcoin was trading at $61.18. Since the beginning of October, AVAX went down by 8.22% from $67. The price indicators did not display any explicit signs of recovery either. On top of that, trading has been hit as well. Volumes are currently at a 2-month low at $812 million, despite AAVE's launch on the network on October 5th. This can also be attributed to the network's developers actually. Their contribution has reduced since the end of September, which can be seen in the status of development activity, which has fallen to a 2-month low. As a result, investors have slowed down across the spot and derivatives markets. Buying, selling, liquidations, everything has come down significantly. According to data gathered from CoinMarketCap, AVAX has a market cap of just under $13 billion right now. Over $1 billion in trading volume occurred in the last 24 hours, giving the crypto the 14th spot in the world's largest cryptocurrencies list. Around 31% of AVAX's total supply is currently in circulation, with any fees paid in AVAX being burned as a deflationary measure. One of the best things about Avalanche is that the platform's low fees mean the barrier to entry for individuals and smaller companies is pretty low. This is appealing, especially given the growth of decentralized finance or DeFi, as the fees are pretty high at present, which puts people off. Furthermore, due to Avalanche's speed, it's unlikely that any trades made on decentralized exchanges or DEXs housed on Avalanche's platform will experience slippage. The upcoming release of ETH 2.0 is cause for concern, as users may decide to buy Ethereum and flock to this platform instead of Avalanche. However, there's no telling when this upgrade will be released or whether it'll meet the lofty expectations investors have for it. Due to this, Avalanche has a great chance to solidify its position and build more brand appeal. The daily technical chart and price trend of AVAX coin show a bullish trend. Based on the pivot point, the first support zone is 40 USDT. Another way to watch it is that if it rushes, the resistance level to look at is 88 USDT. Therefore, the chart created a doji candlestick pattern during the day, and the cost is confident that it'll remain sideways with unwavering medium strength. The exponential moving average or EMA band, consisting of various EMAs, strongly supports currency price fluctuations. investors may find that cost sustains a green ribbon. This guarantees a rise in AVAX until it's above the ribbon. Trading volume 2.414 million is below the 20-day moving average, 7.767 million. The volume is low, so the cost is struggling above the pivot point. Investors may also see the volume bar in the chart decreases. This indicates that anomalous instability is common on subsequent trading days. The weekly technical chart and price trend of AVAX coin show a bullish trend. Based on the Fibonacci retracement levels, the support zone is 50 USDT. From another perspective, if it rushes upwards, the resistance level to look for is 110 USDT. Moreover, the graph shows the hike in ashy candles, representing a substantial upside potential in the asset's price action. So, today's Avalanche price is $60.98, and the 24-hour trading volume is $963,807,921. AVAX prices have risen 2.1% in the last 24 hours. It includes 220 million AVAX coins in circulation and 378 million in inventories. The SDC points to a selling signal, and the traders have prompted moderate volume. In fact, the cost is facing a healthy price correction. Similarly, the general outlook for the market is that the pattern will remain bullish over the following trading days. Price predictions from popular forecast platforms vary widely on when the price of AVAX will hit $100. Most seem to think that AVAX will cross the $100 threshold sometime next year. To be clear, trying to predict when an asset will hit a specific price is very speculative. Many factors can impact the price, from possible issues with Avalanche itself to overall market conditions and even black swan events. Bitcoin has certainly cooled off since setting a new all-time high in April. What Bitcoin does from here will dictate where the overall crypto market goes, which will significantly impact the price of AVAX. Looking at the past price history of AVAX, you can see 2 times this year that the price surged significantly. From January 1st to February 12th, the price surged from a low of $2.83 up to a high of $60.28. And then from July 12th to September 23rd, the price increased from a low of $9.48 to a high of $79.51, a new all-time high. So you can see that AVAX has the potential to make significant jumps in price rather quickly. As you're now aware, thanks to this Avalanche forecast, AVAX has a unique position in the market and offers some exciting benefits. Similar to when you buy stocks, it's worth taking a long-term view of Avalanche and determine its use cases in the years ahead. One of the main things that go in Avalanche's favor over the long term is its time to finality. This is different to transaction speed, as the time to finality measures how long it takes for a transaction to be finalized. In contrast, transaction speed is simply a measure of how fast a transaction can be processed. For Avalanche, the time to finality is less than 1 second. This is super quick compared to Ethereum's 6 minutes or Polkadot's 60 seconds. With its speed, low latency, and scalability, Avalanche has the potential to be one of the top smart contract platforms. If you have patience and a longer investment horizon, Avalanche could make an excellent investment. Every investment carries a certain amount of risk, and it's up to you to do the necessary due diligence to determine whether this investment fits your risk profile. So is Avalanche a good investment? Let us know your thoughts about this cryptocurrency in the comment section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.